Colm Meaney, so nice to have you here.
Thank you very much, Claire. It's lovely to be here on your maiden voyage at Newstalk.
Delighted to have you. So I know you don't live in Ireland anymore. You're home. Are you visiting or are you here for a while?
Well, I'm sort of in and out a lot. I mean, I've been in Los Angeles for 40 years, but the last 10, 12 years, and especially since COVID, we've been more in Spain. We have a place in Spain, in Mallorca. And my wife is there all the time. Can't get her off the island. Her and her 4 sheep. She adopted 4 sheep. So.
Do you like the sheep?
I'm a city boy, you know. I sort of nod to them that, but I'm not a big fan of the sheep.
You're civil.
I'm civil to that. Exactly. That's a good way of putting it. The first 10 years or so in Los Angeles in the 80s, where there was maybe a couple of years I wasn't home at all. Once I did the commitments here, I started coming back more frequently because there were jobs coming up over here as well. So over the years, I've always, rarely 2 years go by where I wouldn't do a job here, you know?
Yeah, so you're working here, but you're also, and I know you still read Irish news pretty much every day, am I right?
Yeah.
You're all really connected.
Yeah.
How do you think we're doing?
Good and bad. There's some great things happening. I think the food scene in Ireland is fantastic.
You're into food, aren't you? You cook as well.
I do. That's why I'm so fat.
You're being hard on yourself. What do you love to cook? Is it like home cooking or complex stuff?
Oh no, it's pretty much home cooking. I mean, I things I learned from my mother. Although now, as the years went by, you know, and you have the vegetarian child and the lactose intolerant wife and so a lot of things are off the menu at the moment. But I used to do a lot of roasts, a lot of nice stews and things like that. And I'm also into wine in a big way. Yeah. The natural wine world is fascinating.
So is that wine without sulfites? Is that
wine without sulfites and organic farming, organically produced, no additives. Wine is the only thing we consume that doesn't have to list its ingredients.
This is true, yes.
People put extraordinary things into wines. Mm-hmm. I mean, really and true. I mean, there's places in Spain where they throw a cat into the vat. I'm telling you.
You're going to tell me now the sheep is in the wine.